It delivers an exhilarating ride without compromising safety and comfort. This four-door, five-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment.
Confidence and poise are expressed throughout the exterior. Attractive alloy wheels furnish the fenders with style and sporty flair.
Once inside, the attention to safety and security is obvious. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, a power seat, front fog lights, turn signal indicator mirrors, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Available Wi-Fi, USB connectivity, Bluetooth phone connectivity, Sirius satellite radio, and a navigation system are perfect additions for anyone who spends most of their time working out of their truck.
Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. The 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. With potent V8 power and performance equipment integrated throughout, this is a technologically advanced vehicle for the sport-inclined driving enthusiast.